I'm Alex from Level Up Gaming and Tech, and welcome to part 2 of our tutorial for Windows 10 setup. This part will cover the Windows 10 spy removal. It won't be as long as the previous one, and it will be much simpler to follow as it's just consisting of download this, click that, restart then, and so on. The first step is to download ONO Shut 10. After you have, download Spybot Anti-Beacon. We recommend downloading the latest versions available as they'll have all the updates, features, and bug fixes. After you finish downloading, open ONO. If Windows asks for your permission, click yes. It's a portable program, so it doesn't require installation. The first thing to do after opening it is select Action in the toolbar, click Apply Only Recommended Settings. It'll ask you if you want to create a system restore point. Click yes. Especially do this if you will activate options not covered in this tutorial. Why apply only recommended settings? Well, the rest of the options disable some Windows features, so unless you know exactly what you're disabling, it's wise to leave them alone or you might have some problems down the road. One additional setting we'll touch is Cortana. In the upper right search bar, type Cortana and click on the option marked Cortana Reset and Disable, and make sure the option is red. That means she's enabled. Exit ONO and restart your PC. Next up is Spybot. Click on the exe you've downloaded and install the program. During installation, make sure Refresh, Immunization after each system restart is checked. After installing, run Spybot and click in the center of the circle where it says Anti-Beacon Customize. If you want, click on Recommended to minimize stripping Windows of features. Otherwise, see what you don't like and click on 3 stars on the right side to block them. Go back and click on License. There's nothing to do here, we just want to mention that there's other Spybot software that should be left off by default, as it'll offer to install other programs otherwise. And that's it. If you made it this far, it means you now have a slightly faster PC that's more in your control. Stay tuned for next week's tutorial on customizing Windows 10 settings to make your PC more stable and usable. See you then. If you've liked this video, make sure to leave a like, share with your friends and people who need it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.